What's up, fellow gamers? Welcome back. This is your host, Player One, and we're at it again. I was so excited for the last episode doing that one, and I'm excited for what we're doing next, and I went ahead and just recorded this one right away. So, last time we were working on these bots, right? And these guys already have Mach 3 legs. But I don't have, like, they're not doing everything else. So we need, wow, gears are going to be slow, aren't they? I should have another guy do gear. But yeah, so I want to find a way to store them. I want to find a way to upgrade them always. So I'm thinking, for one, we have an upgrade team somewhere. I just gotta find them. I know they're somewhere. And we could have them go ahead and grab Mach 3 bots and just do some work. But I'm thinking for now, let's go ahead and finish building out these guys. Because I'm sure by the time you guys seen this episode, I've done some live stream and all my bots will be already upgraded to Mach 3. So I want to get these, I want to build this skeleton team with you guys and then just go ahead and finish it off in a live stream later on. So we have this guy here. Let's grab one, and he is going to be our, what's this guy? I know I have a team that's already making stuff. So this is the body team that's making bodies, right? So I'm thinking we just grab those guys and just convert them, because there's no point, right? Because there's no point. All right, stop, record, right? And then we clean it up. And like I said, I'm using 3 of them, so I don't want to have, like, just gonna have 3 of them do it for me. So the first one we're gonna do is metal plates, and pretty simple. You guys have seen this 100 times. So I'm gonna grab the guy. We're gonna grab metal plates. I'm thinking I'm gonna have him put them in his backpack and then store them. Yeah, like that. We'll do it until hands are full. I forgot to check if this could actually be stored in a chest. Let's see. Yes, they can. These can be stored in crates, which is awesome. I love that. That's beautiful. Let's get these guys 3 set up, and then we're gonna have them store them in crates, and then we're gonna have this guy grab them from crates. So let's retrieve it, toss it in there, change the order, grab this, do this, until hands are empty. I don't want to do forever. Let's stop there for a second. Where is he? Come here. So what we want to do is grab some of these. So I want one here, and one here. Honestly, that should be the other way around. That wasn't supposed to happen, but it happened. So I need 2 space here. Grab the move key, 1 there, 1 there. And while I'm doing this, I want to put the storage for them on this side. Do I need this one? Kind of do, don't I? So I kind of don't. That works. And we're just going to put the storage right here. Storage 1. Still didn't work out the way I wanted to, but fine, whatever. We're just going to move it forward like that. And then the bot's going to store here, bot's going to store here, bot's going to store here. Right? So this guy is going to do this until full, but until this is full. And then there we go. So this way they always have, we're going to have enough being done. Because I think that's the issue, one of the issues I'm having. This guy doesn't always have enough bots, like enough gear to work with. Yeah, so this guy now is going to come, we're going to take his code, and what is he grabbing for me? Metal pole, why not? So he's going to come, grab some metal poles, store it away. I don't know where metal poles are. And why am I out of metal pole? Oh, okay, this guy's using metal poles too. Yeah, making bots are expensive. Wait, do I have 2 bots making axles? No, I only have 1. So we're going to have this guy grab metal poles. This metal pole is full. I'm going to grab it from a different storage box and just change the location. Like that. And I'm just going to take one of these. Right? Yeah. We're going to do Q. We're going to do until hands are full. And where's he at? Come here, drop it off here. Until hands are full. We're going to do this. I'm also going to put the same setup here because I like to do it this way. It's just I don't have a good way to do it when it's just set up to these things. So he's going to keep working. And we'll need a 3rd guy. We have 3. And he's going to grab the last item, which is this one. Yeah, we're going to have to build a few more guys making metal pole because it seems like I'm struggling. And I think I should expand this because maybe it's just not enough bots working on it. Maybe it doesn't have enough slots for enough bots to work on. Until hands are full, empty, we do, where is it at? So storage is full. That storage, forever. And call that a day. That's the, and let's toss him in this group. So that's the bot team. We have drive being make, we have body being make. Now where is head? Was bot head that simple that 1 bot was doing it? That's the brain. Really, only 1 bot was making head? Yeah, only 1 bot was making head. What does he have in his inventory? Nothing, which is awesome. So stop, and let's see. So this one we're gonna use, oh, I don't have this thing doing it. We're gonna use 4 bots. Yep. And that should make the entire gauntlet of bots we need. Right? So the first guy is gonna do crude plates. Wow, this, I think should I put 2 bots working this one machine? No, I think 1-for-1 works well. I mean, looking at it for a little bit to see how they're working, and they seem to work pretty well 1-for-1. So I'll need to do another one of these somewhere. So let's clean his code out, get rid of him. Let's grab that since that's actually open right now. And I need to make bots that are storing these guys up soon because they'll run into issues. So he's gonna grab that, store it away, put that in until hands are full. Dump it in here. Hands are empty, full backpack this way. Grab that. Right, and he's gonna store the head to me because I wanna get this set up pretty decently. Grab it until hands are full, and I'll just toss it in there. And I'm gonna let him jump out so he doesn't keep things in his hands, and then forever. Right, and then this guy is gonna be MK3. I think it's drive. What's it called? Driver body. Drive. And I gotta rename the guy because that's not the head he's storing. So he's gonna come, grab this until hands are full with the jump out option and store it away until hands are empty, right? Yeah, until hands are empty. We're just gonna do this. This guy is actually storing what? The body. Yeah, Metapole is my biggest issue right now. We're gonna fix that later on in life. Did I save that code? I did save it. Where is this guy? So for him, he needs head and drive, right? So I'm thinking we stop his code for now. We do this. Let's expand this for a little bit. Have him grab a drive. Let's put that back. We're gonna grab a bot, put that back. And let's see. So let's get rid of those two. So the one that says drive, his code's gonna be a little small to work with. So we can do that. Get rid of those. And the one that says bod. There we go. So he's still just looking for heads from somewhere. Which you'll see. I can just do this and just change the location for now. And then this way he's fully set up to grab stuff from the new system. Do I have to change this though? No, I don't. Awesome. That works pretty well. Let me toss this here. Toss this here. I need, what else do I need? A drive. I'm just gonna make a few of them so I use up the old resource. And I just gotta get a head. Once I get a head, I'll make it. And like I said, with these things, I'll end up upgrading all my bots anyway. Now let's see. We have the brain over here being made, and this 2 bots make brain. This is just making the robot itself, right? All these need to be changed to M3. I'll do that on my own time. This guy is going to be that, and he's going to be 204. And should I just have him do the coconuts? I don't like the coconuts all the way over here, but it doesn't matter. Like the way I'm going to set this up, it should be fine, even if they're going all the way back here. Until hands are full, so you should hold a bunch of them, and then just dump it here. Alright, and that's the last part of my M3 bots being done. This should be amazing. So we should have all our bots doing everything for us. I'm just checking these guys to make sure I did tell them they could jump out. I need a bot head to finish making this one. What is this guy waiting on? He should have been doing his own thing. So once I stop that, this is our first fully Mach 3 bot being made. Look at that. You can't see him because he's stuck in himself. Let's do something. I'm gonna get some issues there. They're gonna complain, but I'm sure I could do this. There we go. That's gonna stop the complaining. Did it push them through? It does push them through. There you go. Bots being done. I'm gonna set this up in a way that somebody come and grab these bots and toss them in here for now, and then he build until they're actually, you know, let's just do that. Where is he? Actually, let's grab a bot. Grab you. So he's gonna come grab a bot, and I'm gonna have him. Yeah, grab an idle bot is cool. Until hands are full. And dump in here, right? Let's just do this. I don't want him grabbing like weird bots just lying around, so I'm just gonna do like that and do these 2 until hands are empty and then forever, right? And then he's just gonna store them there forever for us. So he should store 10. Now where's this other bot guy? Him, right? Let him finish making this one. We're gonna stop him. Take this code and say do this until, where's the full button? Until that is full. I don't need this then. Yeah, that's gonna work. And then I want one more bot, right? You are gonna come, right? And his job is gonna permission to come, grab a bot from here, and drop it here. So let's see, move to this. Actually, I don't need that. Until hands are full, until hands are empty. Not in a forever loop, but do it until full, until this is full. And then that. In theory, this should help us to like always keep a bot here. So that guy's gonna keep working until this is at 10. And that's going to be stored. So we always have 10 bots stored somewhere. and then one bot's always going to be here. So if I move this guy, see, he's going to drop one. Awesome. And I think this is the best way how to do our bots to make sure they're always organized. And the last thing we need to do for bots is not only put these guys in the group, and let's toss these guys in the bot team because that's where they are. I want to keep them together. I know I'm not the most organized in this game, but I try to be a little bit. And do I want to have them through with space or without space? I think with this is fine. Okay, so I think by far this is the best way to do your bot setup. If you guys are doing your bot setup, I think this is a good way to do it, right? You have these being made. Use a bot for each item because it's just faster that way. You have to work on your item production obviously to make sure that's good enough to keep up. And then you store it in the item. And then you have your guy who's building bots linked to those items. And you have him also stop when a storage container is full. And then you have one bot that's just moving it and putting it to another assembly bench. And he does it until it's full. So he only takes one bot out at a time and put it there. So you always have a bot somewhere outside you could use, you could grab. You could always see it in your thing list. Because if it's in the storage box, you can't see it on this little bot list. Even though I have so many bots being made, only one is showing up. That's the one that's outside. So I think that's the best way to do your bots, to set them up to make sure they're good to go. I think this way you kind of guarantee you always have bots, and you could do this to any level. I'm doing just a level 3 because I don't intend to do anything else to level 1 and 2. I'm done with those. I'm going to upgrade all my bots to level 3 and then see what that breaks and fix it and go from there. But I hope you guys enjoyed. This is where I'm going to call it a day. I think this has been highly productive. I've been looking forward to getting Mach 3 bots for the longest while. Like we haven't even checked and see like what they could do, have we? So memory is 32, which is amazing. Can I see their sensors? We'll check it out a little later. We'll upgrade all these bots and see how their sensors are and things like that. From my understanding, Mach 3 bots don't need to be charged, so that's gonna be fun. And what I'll do later on is go ahead and get my upgrade team, because I have a bot upgrade team that isn't really being used. Maybe I should set that up this episode too. Let me grab this. Right, so I have 6 bots doing upgrade stuff for me. This guy is doing M2 upgrade, find nearest bot and add. We could change this a little bit. So he's doing drive, right? And drive is in here. I don't have any drive. Let's see, can I do this? No, I can't. So he isn't gonna work yet. Let's do head upgrade then. And with this, we could do this if we wanted. I'm not gonna do that because this jump out loop doesn't work too well when you do it that way. So head guy is working. Body upgrade guy needs to work too, because these are full. So they should get to work with that. I just don't have enough for this, and I'm pretty sure it's that. Really? Wow, I am out. I thought I was overproducing that. And we're gonna need to set up a thing to do for this too. Let me grab the last of the group, the drive upgrade guy. As you can see, these guys already started working, upgrading them all the way. And what I'm gonna, oh wow, I don't have any. I'm fresh out. I need to grab something from a storage. Would this work? Yes, that does work as a cheat, which is awesome. So you could like always grab from one storage and then just mark a different storage as the one it needs to be on, which I think is phenomenal. And then he is the body destroyer, right? And then you just want to grab, where's his body? This is body. I shouldn't have any Mach 0 bodies, but I'm just gonna leave that just in case. Let's link this to this sign, and he should start destroying any bodies he finds lying around. Seems like it's mostly bodies, a few heads. Let's grab the heads too. Bot heads, grab those, put that in a loop, put it up here until hands are full. We need to link it to the area and have him run. We're not gonna see any drive for a minute because this guy just doesn't have any drive to work with. So all except for that one is working. I think we're good to go. I think that's as far as I want to go today. We have our upgrade team set up. These guys are just gonna go ahead, upgrade them as they have bots to work through. Plus, we're making the Mach 3 bots now, which I'm excited about. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'll catch you a little later on the next one. Your host Player One signing out. Don't forget to, if you guys enjoyed this type of video, want to see more of it, hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, learn anything from it, hit that like button. And I'm gonna catch you a little later. Your host Player One signing out. Peace, folks.